In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to set a reminder for yourself using the Telegram desktop app, so you never miss another important task, meeting, or event. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly schedule reminders in Telegram right from your computer, even if you've never done it before. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you're using the Telegram desktop application, not the web version accessed through your browser. This reminder feature only works in the desktop app, so if you usually open Telegram through Chrome or Safari, you'll want to download and install the actual app on your computer. If you already have it, great, you're one step ahead. With the app open, look up at the top left corner of your screen for the three horizontal lines. That's called the hamburger menu. Give it a click. A menu will slide out, and from there select Saved Messages. Think of saved messages as your personal private diary on Telegram. Anything you save here is visible only to you, and it's the perfect spot for reminders, lists, or notes. Now in the message field at the bottom, type out what you want to be reminded about. Be as specific as you can. For example, you might type dentist appointment at 2 p.m. or submit the report by Friday morning. Having clear and direct reminders helps your future self out, so you don't have to wonder, wait, what did I mean by that? When the time comes, here comes a subtle but crucial step. Instead of simply clicking the send icon, the little paper airplane, we instinctively go for this time, right-click on it. This might feel a little unusual, but right-clicking calls up some extra options, including the one we need. After you right-click, a small menu will pop up. From that menu, select Schedule Message, or in some versions, you'll see an option called Set a Reminder. That's the magic button. Once you click to schedule, a calendar and a time picker appear. Take a moment to think about exactly when you want the reminder to appear. Maybe you need a little early nudge or a last-minute ping. Pick the date and time that fits. It's okay to pause here. I sometimes double-check my calendar just to be sure. Once you're happy with the timing, look for the button that says Send on Date and Time or Remind. The wording might vary a tiny bit depending on your Telegram version, but it'll be clearly marked. Once you tap Confirm, your message is scheduled. And the next time that appointment or deadline is approaching, Telegram will deliver your scheduled message right into your saved messages chat, just like your own personal butler giving you a friendly nudge. If you ever need to tweak or cancel the reminder, just find it in your saved messages, right-click, and adjust as needed. And there you have it. You've set up your own reminder in Telegram, staying organized without any extra apps or sticky notes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. Leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share how you use reminders. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.